Trying to improve your personal finance situation shouldn't turn into yet another expensive monthly subscription. That's why I've got a Monarch Money coupon code link in the description below, plus a free 7-day trial so you can test everything yourself before paying anything. So let's quickly go through what Monarch Money actually gives you once you subscribe and how the app actually works in day-to-day use. Monarch Money is a personal finance app that puts all your financial accounts into one dashboard. Bank accounts, credit cards, investments, loans, savings, all accessible in one click. Instead of manually updating spreadsheets or jumping between banking apps, Monarch automatically tracks your spending, categories, recurring bills, and even tracks your net worth. And honestly, if you've spent hours working on how to save money, this spells it all out for you. Getting started is pretty simple. You create an account and connect your financial accounts. And again, if you use the Monarch Money coupon code link below, you can start with a free 7-day trial and also get a discount on the subscription itself. Now, like I mentioned, the main reason people use Monarch is automation. Once your accounts are connected, transactions sync, and Monarch organizes everything for you. But honestly, what I like best is the flex budgeting feature. Instead of splitting your budget into 20 hyper-specific categories, Monarch groups your spending into fixed expenses, flexible spending, and non-monthly costs. So, for example, instead of creating separate limits for groceries, restaurants, coffee, takeout, snacks, and random shopping, Monarch can place all of that under one flexible spending bucket. That means that if you spent less on groceries this week, that you can order takeout later without feeling like you broke your budget in 5 different places. You still see where your money goes, but the whole system feels way more realistic and less obsessive compared to traditional budgeting apps. But if you actually want more control over how things get organized, Monarch also lets you create custom transaction rules. For example, I can split my utility bills into separate categories, tag vacation expenses under one trip label, or track shared spending with a partner. And speaking of couples, Monarch is actually pretty strong for shared finances. You and your partner can have separate logins while still seeing one shared financial dashboard. It's super useful for rent, groceries, vacations, or household budgeting without having to combine absolutely everything together. And there are also goal tracking tools for things like emergency funds or saving for large purchases. Plus, there's a built-in AI assistant that can answer simple questions about your spending or budgeting trends. So yeah, if you're tired of budgeting apps feeling like extra homework, Monarch is honestly one of the cleaner options that I've tried. And if you want to test it for yourself, check the Monarch Money coupon code link below. You'll get a discount plus a free 7-day trial.